Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Unquoted Commune. I am Subham. Today I'm going to start with the problem solving in Python, which is asked in TCS NQT 2019. So let's get started with the problem 1. The problem 1 is saying remove all consonants from a string. Like example, input 1 quarter commune. So output will be OE, OUE because OE, OUE is only vowels in this string. So all consonants will get removed. In input 2 you can see India, so output will be IIA, which is only vowels in that string. Just like in input 3 Python, so output will be O. Now let's check another question is saying the find the difference between even position and sum and odd position sum of given number. So you can see here input 1 2 3 4 5, so output will be 3. Let's check solution. Odd sum equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5, which means first position, third position, fifth position is only odd position, so odd position sum is gets odd position sum is 9. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 9. Now let's check even sum. So even sum will be 2 plus 4, which will 6. So difference between 9 minus 6 is 3. So let's take another question, and after that we will solve the problem. So in the third question is saying check whether given string is keyword or not in Python. So you can see here 4 is in quarter self if these are the string given, and now let's check this string are keyword in Python or not. So let's get started with the solution. So we will code in Google Colab. So let's get started with the first problem. First problem was, so remove all consonants from the string. So what we will do, we will create a string. Now let's create a vowel A, E, I, O, U, and also the capital A, E, I, O, U. Now just question was saying the remove all consonants from the string. So just create a for loop for I in is if I in vowel, we will create a vowel list, which will append the character which is vowel. So we will create a list, and now let's append here. If that character present in the vowel, then we will append that character in the vowel list. So v dot append I. Now let's just print that all character. So I'll use join and v. So that's it. Now let's run the code. So the first input will be like quarter commune. So you can see we are getting output OE, OUE. So now let's check another input like India. Yeah, IIA. So you can see here we are getting the correct output. So now let's get started with the another problem. So another problem was saying let's check the another problem that was saying the difference between even position sum and odd position sum of given number. So let's take a number n. While n greater than 0, then we will do digit. Find out the digit in modular division 10. And we will check if index is, we get started with the 1, not 0. So if index is I modular division 2 not equal to 0 means if index is odd, then we will sum that odd. So we will create a here odd sum equal to 0, even sum equal to 0. So now let's, if that position is odd, then we will add that digit. So odd sum plus equal to digit, and else we will sum with even sum. So even sum plus equal to digit. Now just n equal to n divided by 10, and just increment the value of I plus equal to 1. So that's it. And now let's just print the absolute value of difference between odd sum minus even sum. That's it. Now let's run the code. Now you can give input 1 2 3 4 5. You can see we are getting output 3. So here you can see the output was what? 3. Difference was 3. So 1 2 3 4 5. So output will be 3. Now we will check for another input, that is 5 6 7 8 9. 5 6 7 8 9. So output is 7. Yeah, we are getting 7. So you can see the odd sum will be here 21 and even sum will be 14. So we are getting 21 minus 14 will be 7. Now let's solve the another problem, which was check whether given a string is keyword or not. So in the Python there is a module which is keyword. So we will import that keyword. Now we will create we will get that all keyword in present in Python. So what we will do, we will like create a variable klist equal to keyword dot kwlist. Now we will create a for loop, not a for loop. We will first take a string. So we will take a string and the list of map str input dot split. So we will take an input and then we'll create a for loop for I in S. If I present in klist, so it should return print yes, this is in a list, and else it will print no. So now just give the input will be like for in coder for encoder def and return, or maybe Raj. So now you can see the output. 4 is keyword in Python, in is keyword in Python, like we are using here in coder is not keyword in Python, or no, not in any other language. Def is a keyword. Def is used for the define the function. Return is a keyword for the function return, and Raj is not a keyword. So you can see we are getting the output correctly. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and understand the problem and solution both for all the questions we have solved. And in the next tutorial we will solve another problem. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.